taxi via Bravo, cross runway 23.
New Bedford Tower, number 5112 Whiskey, holding short runway 32, straight out departure.
Cherokee 5112 Whiskey, New Bedford Tower, roger. Straight out departure approved, wind 310 at 8, runway 32, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 32, straight out departure, and be advised, a large flock of seagulls about a quarter mile short of the approach runway 32, about 100 feet up.
Roger, thank you for that.
Rich, landing fuel pump, finals clear. Let's do it.
The wind 290 at 7.
Thank you.
2 Whiskey, thanks for the heads up on the seagulls. They weren't visible from my angle until I had your report.
And not a problem, we just knew that carrier was on approach.
So thank you for that. Via Bravo, hold short of runway 23.
Oh! You almost hit a bird there. Jesus. You get for trying to help. Right? They sent out an all-points bulletin on my ass, right? Get him! Don't piss the birds off. Got your seatbelt? Yep. Fuel pump coming off, make sure to lean. There's a freaking dog? Oh man! What? Guys, there's a freaking dog running at the plane. That's crazy. Myrick's traffic, Cherokee 12 Whiskey departing runway 27, departure to the south, Myrick.